Now I have the movement all cleaned up, and this particular hairspring is missing the pin that I was telling you about. But the hairspring is not in the right position right now. There's a catch on the hairspring that catches the pallet fork, and it's not in the right position. But because the hairspring is too far in this hole, when I pull it out some, the movement should start ticking away, because right now it's too far in that hole. Which has the system out of line. So once I get it in the right position, it should start ticking away. And there you go. Now all I have to do is get a pin to put in the hole to keep that spring in the right position. And then test it for timing. If it's too far advanced, I'm going to have to slow it down. If it's too slow, I'm going to have to speed it up. And remember, like I was telling you before, with the hairspring, the smaller it gets, the faster this is going to work. The bigger it gets, the slower it will work. So if I was to pull the hairspring down, it'll speed it up, but it'll also change the position of this pin that catches the pallet fork. But you can rotate the position of that pen, because it's just compression fit on there, so you might have to rotate the position of the pen to catch the pallet fork. But I got it all cleaned up, and I'm gonna get a pen to put in that hole, and then put this thing back in this case